Earth Echo International recognizes that young people are making a positive difference in the health of our planet by seizing opportunities to engage in their communities.
Outside of London, England, Deep Shah dedicates his free time helping other teens care for the environment.
So Deep, talk to me about your passion and interest in conservation and nature, and how did it start?
I've always had an interest in nature, but in the past year it's really blossomed. And then what we're doing to it is destructive, and we need to reverse that. We need to get other people involved as well so we can all make an impact.
Deep began volunteering with Action for Conservation, an organization that aims to empower students to become the next generation of conservationists.
So every young person who comes on our camp is invited to then join our ambassador program.
Deep went on one of these camps?
He did. It was incredible to meet him and learn more about what he was interested in. And since then he's joined our ambassador program, which is a year-long program of support and mentorship to really kind of take their ideas to the next level.
That mentorship has opened the door for Deep to get involved in efforts focused on marine habitats. One recent project that Deep helped lead was an oyster restoration effort in southwest England.
We did a survey on the number of oysters in Southampton and other biodiversity.
And what happened? What did you do?
We counted the number of oysters and saw if they were living or dead.
And what was the results?
A lot of them were living, but a few of them were dead.
Okay.
And we saw the other marine life living beside it.
That's pretty sweet. So did you snorkel? How'd you investigate?
In the water there's this decking type of area. The oysters were on a hook. And then you take the hook out and we counted all of it up.
Cool. So then that data that you helped collect will go towards restoring oyster populations along the coast of England.
Yeah.
Participating in these different large-scale projects has created opportunities for Deep to have an impact on his peers.
We all come from a range of backgrounds, and we hope this will inspire the other youth to take part in environmentalism.
How do you feel about what's going on right now with climate change and all these other things?
It's scary, but there's hope we could do something about it. So we need to get everyone involved.
So what would you tell young people who think like, there's nothing I can do, I can't change the world?
Their small action has an impact on the world. You have to look at the bigger picture and not be scared by if your friends aren't doing it and they're making fun of you, because it's going to impact you all.